Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to clean nicotine off wood. As we all know, wood furniture is almost present in every house, like dining table, side table, etc. So the first question in mind comes, is nicotine in wood furniture hard to clean? No, even though wood furniture can't absorb cigarette smoke, it's not hard to clean up the nicotine that remains in wood furniture. How to clean nicotine off wood furniture? You can remove the nicotine grains from your furniture with vinegar and water by following these steps. Use fine steel wool to buff the nicotine grains on your wood furniture until they're gone. Scrape the remaining grains with the knife's edge. Use a measuring cup to measure the vinegar and water. Make sure the ratio between vinegar and water is 1:8. Put the water-based vinegar solution into a spraying bottle. Spray the mixture on the side parts of your furniture. Let it be for at least 5 minutes. Use a dry, soft cloth to wipe the sprays. Thanks for watching.